I was roaming around the countryside of Bhutan enjoying my Vespa when suddenly dances and songs caught my attention, the famous archery competitions. The most common reason of hospitalization in Bhutan? Archery. Yes, trust me. It's one of the most dangerous sports I ever seen. Yes, it's part of the culture and folklore, but the arrows are super powerful, step by step. Archery is national sport in Bhutan, played on official occasion or for pleasure with friends. But by the way, it's always a serious business. In fact, archers must wear traditional dress. Teams often ask advices from astrologers, and it's better if archers do not spend the night before the match with their wives. It is basically played by men. But since Bhutan has a matriarchal society, prizes go to the wife and daughters of the winning archer. Every time the target is struck, the teams perform a traditional dance, but also the teams make a lot of jokes, and this is the dangerous part, when the players stand in front of the target, pointing at it and challenging the other team to hit it. Really dangerous, also because you can't see well the arrows coming. And if you consider the teams welcome each shot with a few alcoholic shot, well, everything gets even more difficult. Each game can take days, if not weeks. Also because the targets are set about 140 meters apart. Super difficult and super dangerous sport.